Hello everybody, welcome back to our 3 Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable or disable reversing image hold on your XPeng vehicle. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to go to the vehicle options. In the vehicle options, we want to go to the driver assistance and go to parking. Once we are in the parking, here we have reversing image hold. And now the image will briefly stay when switching gears for easy observation by the rider. And this is how it looks like. As you guys can see, we get the pictures. And now what are we going to do is we're going to go over, we can enable it. Also, if you just open up the cameras, you will not have it. You have to be in reverse in order to do that. I'm in the P, so it all depends. As you guys can see, that's how you guys can easily enable it or disable it. It's totally up to you. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.